Hey, what's good, y'all? My name is Proxy Sales, bro, and today I got a video for y'all showing y'all how y'all can get some free iPhones. So let's get into it. All right, so step number one is you're gonna text my Telegram. Now, when you text my Telegram, I won't message you and be like, "Hey, what you need?" You say, "I'm gonna need some iPhones." Now, step number two, before you text me, make sure you have a fire piece, like some Fulls or some Fire Pros or whatever you have, bro. Make sure it's over a 700 credit score. Now, 650 might pass. 650 might pass. That might be good. So you can come with that as well. Don't worry though, you're not gonna have to give it to me. Now the third thing that's gonna happen is I'm gonna give you my plugs telly, and what's gonna happen is step number four. You give him the Pro and he's gonna work some magic with a certain phone company, bro. I ain't gonna say which one because I ain't gonna expose the sauce, but he gonna get y'all some iPhones, bro. Now as many trade lines as he get. Now you might not understand what I mean by that, but you'll be able to watch a video that I have coming out tomorrow about that. For now, we'll just refer to that as the number of phones you'll be able to get. So I would say with a 650 credit score, you could probably get maybe 3 or 4 maybe, but normally you'll do half. He gets half the iPhones and then you get half. You feel me? He'll ship 2 to you, ship 2 to him. Now, how do you know he's legit? Now, you might be wondering, like, how do I know I can trust dude not to just run off with my shit? Well, bro, I've shopped with him. I've shopped with him a few times on multiple different occasions, so he's good, bro. I personally trust him, so I know that y'all can trust him. And now you may be wondering, Proxy, what's step number 6? Hey, if you don't have any pros, you can hit me on Telegram at Proxy Sales, bro. I know this was a bit of a shorter video today, y'all, but I hope y'all enjoy, man, because this is a bit of an easier method for all y'all out there just trying to get some money real quick. So I was happy to bless y'all with some shit, you feel me? But if you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe and like, and I've been Proxy Sales. I'll see you guys in my Telegram chat. Bye-bye.